2005 Dodge Ram 1500 when it was actually called Dodge, not just Ram anymore. Anyways, it's a Hemi, as you guys can see, Hemi 5.7. What we got done on it, something special for everybody. Factory converter there. He added the Daytona stickers and the wing and stuff, so we did something special for it to make the exhaust look like the Daytona also. So there's the factory converters there and there, okay? And then we true dualed it all the way back 2.5, and then put 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws, part number 815-425S. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then we did 2.5-inch tailpipes out the rear to one side. The classic look, as you guys can see there. You don't see much of this look anymore. And we staggered the tips for them a little bit. Double wall stainless steel tips, 4-inch. We'll give you a link in the description for them also. Right there. Came out really clean, really beautiful. Check that out, guys. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and all that stuff. There's the old exhaust that was on it. There and there. We cut it all off and made it really clean and nice for them. Let's see what kind of sound decibels we hit on this thing. Much better. You see that? 115 already. 119. Again? Wow. Rev it. That's a true Mopar right there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, 119. Go ahead and back it up. I like the different stance on Daytona. Yeah, that sounds good. Wow, it's resonating on the mountain. Man, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear it on that side.